What time is it, my creatives? That's right, it's photo hacking time, and today I'm going to show you how to create a tie-dye effect in Photoshop. So it's going to be really quick and simple. It's an easy tutorial. Anybody can do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new document, and I'm going to go File, New, and I'm just going to choose, the artboard that I already have set up. I mean, you could choose any size. It's totally up to you. And I'm in the Adobe RGB 1998 color space, and just press create and unlock the layer. All right, so really quickly, we're just gonna take a basic brush, like a soft brush, and what we're gonna do is you wanna have a white background to create this tie-dye effect, of course, and we are gonna choose a random amount of colors. I'm gonna start with like a blue, and it's really not that complicated. We're just going to draw like a little half circle there, and then I'm gonna choose this pink, this hot pink here, and whoops, to switch your colors you're just gonna press this little arrow here and just draw a circle around like so, and we're just gonna keep, you can pick any colors you want. Try to stay away from the reds because they can be pretty harsh. I'm going to choose an orange now. And as you get outside the circle, you want to create a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to choose a yellow, like a bright yellow. There we go. I'm going to choose another pink, like a lighter pink here. Make my brush a little bit bigger here. There we go. Now I'm gonna choose a green, and this is all in the same layer, and just go around. Just make sure you have a little bit of white. If you have a little problem getting your circle straight, you can just adjust the smoothing here. Now I'm gonna choose like a yellow, like a bright yellow here, and you just want to leave just a little bit of white, and I'm gonna choose the blue again and go around here, just drawing. And then the outside, I'm going to choose a really light pink. Oh, a purple. Yeah, let's do a purple. We do a purple here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just going to add some light pinks in here. It's right there. Just like so. Just get some variation here and a little bit more blues, like that blue, and just add it there. All right, just so we have like some variation here, and then a little bit more of the green. All right, and there, and a little bit more orange. So I'm gonna go back to this orange and get this color here and just paint like so. Then we're gonna go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and just bump it up until it's like a little bit blurred. All right, there we go. And then we're gonna bump up the vibrance. There we go. All right, so now that we have it like that, and then in the middle, I'm just gonna dab a little white in there, just a dot. I'm going to create a new layer here, and just like so, and then I'm going to blur that. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur, not too much. And then I'm going to duplicate that. All right, whoops, I did it too much. And then duplicate it again, and then merge all these layers together. All right, so we got something going on here. All right, so we're gonna create a new layer by clicking the little plus button at the bottom, and then we're gonna go to Filter. Oh, make sure that we have black or like a gray set right here. A little bit lighter gray right there. Okay, then we're gonna go to Filter, and then we're gonna go to Render, and then we're gonna go to Clouds. Okay, and then we're gonna go to Filter, Distort and Pinch, and press OK. And then we're going to go to Filter, Distort, and Twirl. And you want to press minus so you could see, and I have it set to about -86, and press OK. And then we're going to set the blend mode. You can go through these blend modes, see which works for you. There's light and screen, overlay, soft light, hard light. There's different ones that you can use depending on the effect that you want to do. But I'm going to choose color burn. Okay. All right. And then we're going to go to image, adjustments, levels, and bring back some of the whites in there and just adjust it a little bit to give it like a tie-dye-ish effect. Okay. And then we're going to go to filter, and then wave, distort, wave, and we're going to select triangle, 9, and just copy these settings that I have here, select wraparound, and then press OK. And this is going to give you a nice looking like tie-dye effect. And then you can see there's some lines in here. You can fix that by just using the Band-Aid tool here, the spot healing brush tool. I'm sorry, I get those confused. And then just kind of like drag over the lines there to like kind of like get rid of those weird lines, and that gives you a really cool looking tie-dye effect. And the last thing you could do, which is optional, and is just to add a little noise. But hold on 1 second here, I just get rid of those lines. Okay, so that looks really freaking cool. So to just, oh, we missed some lines here. Yeah, make sure you get all them lines. So then you want to go to filter, and then go to noise, and then add a little noise, which gives it that like really like 70s type vibe. I have it on like 6.30 and go to uniform, and then press OK. I think I missed some lines here. There we go. There, and that is the easy tie-dye effect. I hope you guys like this tutorial. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And thanks so much for watching, guys.